Well, meantime, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has held on to power after a closely fought election, but he will enter his second term with less power than before. His party, the Liberals, they've lost their majority in Parliament.
And tonight, we chose to move Canada forward. Tonight, Canadians have charted a path for the future, and I know we will walk it together. Nous allons avancer ensemble vers un avenir meilleur. Merci beaucoup tout le monde. Merci Montréal.
Well, results are still trickling in. Projections show the Liberals have secured 157 seats, 13 short of 170 needed for a majority. And they will now need the support of a smaller left-leaning party in order to govern.
Mr. Trudeau's win comes despite an election campaign tainted by scandal. His popularity dropped as old photos of him in blackface emerged. And his handling of a corporate corruption case, that was widely criticized as well.
Preliminary results showed his rivals, the Conservatives, actually won the popular vote. And Mr. Trudeau acknowledged that the country is deeply divided in his victory speech.
And to those who did not vote for us, know that we will work every single day for you. We will govern for everyone. And regardless of how you cast your ballot, ours is a team that will fight for all Canadians.